Hi, love your work. Installing an above ground pool, I'm going to add a main drain, and we'll watch your video about main drain installation. From the attached picture, you can see I had dug the bottom down. I read where sand other than cove isn't required if you have a smooth rock and root-free bottom. But the pool company told me that the pool bottom pad will not extend down into the dugout section unless I put a coating of poolcrete. Is this true? Also, does the main drain need to be encased in cement? And do I only need one? I read where one drain is okay if you use a domed cover. Here is above ground.
So I am going to suggest, no matter what, that you do dual main drains. Code and law requires an in-ground construction now that there's dual main drains. I don't know if it specifically excludes above grounds or not. I would say that it probably doesn't. I would automatically do a double main drain system. Two main drains teed together 3 feet apart. They're 3 feet apart. You tee them together, run one line back to the equipment. What I would recommend doing is concreting them in, because they'll stay level. It's easier to, once you're doing the liner, if everything stays level and it's in place, it's just so much better than sort of floating them in sand and then having them move around as you're walking around and down there. So I would concrete them in, run your line out. I'm not understanding why someone's requiring that you have pool base versus sand. We would always put at least a layer of sand down. Even if the dirt, and you think the dirt's fine and no rocks, I would at least always do a layer of sand. The challenge with the sand is when you're trying to go up the slopes, because it's bowled out, it's a matter of it sliding back down. You need to continually wet it and trowel it into place. Once you trowel it into place, keep it wet, put your liner in, and you'll be fine.